Real estate investing, it's like a game of Monopoly, but in real life and without the cute little houses and hotels. But just like the game, it can be complicated and intimidating. But don't worry, with these 10 simple tips, you'll be raking in the dough and making it rain properties in no time. Speaking of time, I'm Veronica Weatherspoon with Real Estate Investing Made Easy, and it's time to make it easy. Find a good real estate agent. You want an agent who's like a trusty sidekick, who can help you find properties that fit your investment criteria, negotiate the best price, and provide valuable market insight, like which neighborhoods to avoid because of that one guy who plays his music too loud at 3 a.m. No! Get to know the market. It's important to have a good understanding of the local real estate market. This will help you find properties that are undervalued but have high potential to appreciate in the future, like a diamond in the rough or a fixer-upper that'll make Chip and Joanna Gaines proud. Understand your financing options. There are a variety of ways to finance your real estate investments, so it's important to understand all of your options before deciding how to proceed, like taking out a mortgage or robbing a bank. I'm just kidding. Never rob a bank unless it's a heist movie you're filming. And linked in the description, you can find our private money lending series to learn how you can raise capital to fund your real estate deals. Be patient. One of the most important things to remember when investing in real estate is to be patient. It can take time to find the right property and get it under contract. But remember, good things come to those who wait. If you have the capital for marketing, consider checking out our done-for-you marketing services linked in the description below. Do your due diligence. Once you've found a property that you're interested in, it is important to do your due diligence before making an offer. This includes researching the property, the neighborhood, and the local market, like finding out if the property is haunted or not. Create a realistic budget. It's important to create a realistic budget for your investment property before making an offer. This will help you avoid overpaying for the property and ensure that you have enough money left over for repairs and improvements, like hiring a contractor who's not related to you. Stick to your investment strategy. Once you've created a strategy for investing in real estate, it is important to stick to it. This will help you stay focused and avoid making impulsive decisions, like buying a property just because it has a pretty pool. Diversify your portfolio. One of the best ways to mitigate risk in real estate investing is to diversify your portfolio. This means investing in a variety of different property types and locations, like owning a beachfront property and a cabin in the mountains. Choose the right type of property. There are a variety of different types of investment properties, so it's important to choose the right one for you. Single-family homes, multifamily homes, and commercial properties are all popular options, but make sure you pick one that aligns with your investment strategy and your lifestyle. Be prepared for the long haul. Real estate investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and effort to find the right properties and make money from them. But if you are patient and persistent, real estate investing can be a great way to build wealth over time. Like fine wine, it gets better with age. So stick with us on this channel by subscribing, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Now these are just a few simple tips, but for more, click this next video and stick with us as we make real estate investing easy.